Hello class. So for this problem here, now we're starting to get into slightly more difficult stuff. So if I was to give you something as simple as this, 2x minus 3 equals 6, what would your first step be? Of course you would add 3 to both sides. Agree? So you get 2x equals positive 9. Then how would you solve for x? Of course you would divide both sides by 2. But in here, you have the only thing that makes this problem a little complicated is that 9 minus x. So you got to do something to get rid of that 9 minus x. But before we take that approach, we are going to start simple, like what we did here. So in this case, we are going to subtract 3 from both sides. Okay? So we get 2 to the power of 9 minus x equals 62 minus 3. Of course, everybody can do that in their sleep. That is 59. Right? Okay. At this point, you guys can ask me questions just because we're recording. That doesn't stop us. So here, what we're going to do is we are going to, when in doubt, log out. Good. So you have log 2 to the 9 minus x equals log 59. So when you do a problem like this, and you're logging, make sure you log both sides. You got to treat all kids equally, or everybody should be treated equally. All right. So if you're logging one side, you got to log the other side as well. So what's the beauty of logarithms? They are used to help get rid of these exponents. So that 9 minus x comes up front. 9 minus x, and you're left with log 2 equals log 59. Okay? Now we're almost done. What are we going to do next? We're going to divide both sides by log 2, log 2. All right? So I'm going to go over here. Sorry about that. This is going to be 9 minus x equals log 59 over log base 2. Now what's the next step? You are going to, good job, subtract 9 from both sides. Negative x equals log 59 over log base 2 minus 9. Are we done? It looks like we are completely done.
No.
But of course there is this, there's that negative in the game. How would we get rid of the negative?
By -1.
You can definitely do that. Divide both sides by -1, doesn't matter where it goes. So that's going to help you get rid of that. Boom, boom. So you get, here it's interesting because this whole thing is going to change the sign. So you're going to get negative 59 over 2 plus 9. You see? You get a negative here and a negative here. Because negative is multiplied by the whole thing here on the right. So that right there is your answer. Sorry, this was a little long, but we have to do this. Okay. Angie?